Jaib cin sciala Tá mar broteo main is a Kyleenberg agus Sunny. Myself, Sunny and the Kyleenberg and the pram atá Tá mar look like bro boiling. Sa mar Kyleen agus tá lága híbin. Sa clowntan ma. Good complaint my own. The trí seachnig go drochaim siad it. We had 3 weeks of bad weather. So it's got a couple of and up until a few days ago. Mar tá muid buíoch go an aimimsir glóte ríist. An aimimse go bra ríist. Má luachta go Kyleenberg na cáil deide bocht, níortí deide riamh. It's only Mama, she says. Níortí deide riamh, deide. Tá rud a cíte team mo húil. Second amháin tá be muid a siúil sa ríist. Nís an cid a haon beidir fáil no dat ik zeggen dat krijgt en zeggen laat zo in de mile maar but ik kan mooi smiley me zeg maar zo one of my eyebrows hairs in my hair my eye te moet schulden studist ach zeker dat ze niet meer zijn nog wel ik klopt krijgt weg zei je maar jara. It's really lovely weather. Can't have phone while school or shopping. Small special area. I like going walking anyway. I can't have phone Brescia or Brescia extra Brescia BREISE Brescia phone Brescia extra want I suppose extra desire. So phone Brescia when it's like this gives me a phone Brescia to go walking, an extra desire to go walking. I like walking anyway. Come on, whatever the weather, as long as it's not too bad, like, you know, strong gale force winds or bosh the hand through the ruddy machine. As long as it's not, you know, storm or strong gales or heavy rain. Ach, mata rubba goifer, no mata rubba bosh, man glaciers to us. If there's a little bit of rain, I can wear a raincoat, etc. Provided it's not too bad. Mar chafad nach which ro honna. Chafad nach which ro honna. It's a lyric Sunny sin mar in the voon. Sunny has the ball and he's marking his territory. Ach, said you ma couple of live stream journalists. I've done a few live streams recently. How's in the sin? I started doing my first live streams there about 3 weeks ago or so. Better maybe not quite 3 weeks ago. There's a breeze in Vergachin There's a little bit of a breeze there. So better go ask on microphone. It might interfere with the microphone. I guess smile in the live streams my own. Bí man an láirtile daine, bí man an bíon daine an commentágal na beo agus bí man an freagarthút na tráchtaí na comments. I like live streams because people are able to, in real time, they can leave comments and that's like it's on the shake. And Kyleenberg you're a ruddy cinch fan second. Sacrama, man an freagarthút in a question I'm able to answer the questions in real time. So yeah, from every time I do a live stream I get a good amount of people. Been slám mádine, good amount of people join. It's questionly similar. Ruta sort similar as a barrel. Generally, what country are you from? What country? I can't see the captain slow in this weather. What country do you think I'm from in this weather? Jenny Mac. Better my other guy got a whole hush that's not taking galore on the folder modi. I got a lot of folder modi, a lot of learners. They're not exposed to proper native Irish, so maybe when they hear me, they don't understand it's Gaelic, it's Irish. They might think it's some other language, Neil Sam. Or maybe some of them have such poor Irish. Or that they've just not been exposed to proper native Irish. You know, when they hear me, they might think I'm a foreigner. foreign language I'm speaking, which is ironic. As I said, ironach mar jara. Fear chailach, fear ernach ma. I'm a true Irish, true Gaelic person. Speaking true Gaelic. Native Irish, native Gaelic, and yes, some of them don't understand or think I'm from some other country. I apologise in Cowrell, that's happened a few times in IRL, Marajara, in IRL, in real life. Or a couple of turns in Magaile. It happened a few times when I was in Galway. Cap, my cap, I was talking to my brother, and you park spree at the playground. We passed him Majar. Asked him we were at the playground with my brother's kids, and some of the other parents or people came up and, oh, are you Polish? That's a ball, you. Are you Polish? I said, oh, fair need them. I said, we're talking in Irish. Oh, of course it is. I said, she starts noisy. And she was embarrassed, as she should have been. And heard a couple of Merchant Harn, that's happened a few times over the years. When people overhear me talking to a sibling or maybe one of my friends or from the island here, or if we're on the mainland, they might mistake us for Polish or some other nationality or culture. It's a bit funny, isn't it? It's a bit sad as well that people have such poor level of Irish that they weren't able to. And these were Irish people as well asking me. That's it. I guess it is sad. People must kind of make art with shin in the Kuchaska. It's usually people in their 60s. No machine. You think they'd have better Irish in the Sam? It hasn't happened very often, but it has happened a few times. I send you another door cheer down the. And that's just that people that have asked me or asked us, you know. I'm sure it's probably happened dozens of times more where people just don't ask, they just assume I'm Polish or Dutch or German or something, I don't know. Scandinavian, sometimes people think I'm Scandinavian if I'm talking as well. But maybe because of the long hair and the beard, I think I'm Scandinavian maybe. Or let's ask in couplet, and that's happened a few TikTok that's happened with my videos, a few of my videos actually. They probably think I'm speaking in some kind of Norse language, and yeah, the shower about Barrow, it's a bit funny and sad really. You might get about row Roomba. No, yeah, there'll be two down in there too. So Shachan in this sunny, Shachan. That's strange cherry tinnish. Christach Mahulach are tourists now they try to avoid in the morning. Our parents are told they're a bit of a pain in the arse, you know. Well, it has and strange, we need the tourists. But they're kind of annoying at the same time when I'm trying to go for a nice private little walk like this. But I get shula in Jeff something, they're marching. I shall run this master free fishing on the bicycles, the roughish. There's a chin nish, ni fishing the roughish. As coming to sour in this, when these journeys so low in this kind of later in the day. I'm usually working during the day. My free time is in the morning and the evenings. But sometimes you get maybe a dozen or so in a chain bicycle coming up behind you. As in you wouldn't hear them. They're just staring tap of you almost, you know. We just think being vecting calculo, those two are okay, just finish it there. Those two are okay, but sometimes they ask stuff like that. Can you explain to me what are the walls? What's the deal with the walls? Oh, that's a too. Now, where's the holy well, or where can I go to the castle? You know, stuff like that. Share to kiss me, chef, if I left my shoe lodge. You know, sometimes they ask me stupid questions like that when I'm out walking. You know, my own time, my private time. Ní hána te róbh nic le fair. It doesn't happen very often, but tálann te rééisanta minic nó tá te sách minic go going to happen, but it happens often enough that it's kind of a pain. Like a pain at that. Ní mai give a row, I don't want to be too negative. Let's do it in cuts gun sales, cuts can save a mark that are out for glow in the sale. That's probably part of the game. That you know, I live in such a lovely places in the Sire. We get lots of tourists, and we need, as I said, we need the tourists. That's in the Thurles Sire. My mark na strain cherry, mark na Thurles Sire. We say strain cherry for Thurles Sire. So strain cherry, mark na strain cherry. Ni vach lana it. Say my dain in the Sire. Ni vach achbedel lach more stasha. I'd say without the tourists, the population of the island would be only half of what it is. We're very tourist focused. Nearly everyone on the island is involved with tourism in one way or another, either directly or indirectly. So, Bran might come over. We depend a lot on the sanctuary. So, anyway, I walk much in there. What's this Carcut? So, Carcut, we say here on the islands, or hill, road hill. So, I went up the Carcut there. Oh, noch check even. There's a breezing back on. A little bit of a breeze there. If I come in the room touching, I can see the seal swimming there. I am a zoom. Which I'm not like I think you can see it. In Ishmael here, it's in Ishmael over there. Kerkalor Mashat in an ultra wide. When Hain Agus sunny. As an Kylie Bugs a Bramacha, Slán go fóill.